Hello, in today's video I'll unbox the Motorola Edge 70 Pro. Okay, so here's the phone, here's the box of the phone. It's the Edge 70 Pro and I got it in 256 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and in the color Titan dark blue. Which is certified by Pantone, but it doesn't matter. Let's just open the phone without any further ado. Okay, and the first thing that we notice is this accessory box. So let's wait a little for the phone itself, because there's going to be something interesting for sure. The cable, it's not that interesting, but we get it. Then we also get some documentation with the SIM card remover. And now the interesting part is the case. We get a case. It's a plastic one, so it's pretty rough, pretty hard. Now the thing about this case is it has the magnet here. It's called G2, or on iPhones you call it MagSafe. iPhones always have it. It's basically so that it attaches to chargers that have magnets, the wireless chargers, and it can hold like that. It's great in cars, for example, if you want to use your phone like attached to something. You don't need to use these handles. And it's great for any other thing. I actually use the magnets on my personal phone as a bedside stand for the phone, for it to charge. So that's what I do. We'll put it in the case in a moment. But let's remove the phone from this wrapper here. So there it is, and it looks really nice. It feels feels like denim, like jeans or something like that, but it's probably not. It's just a material that feels like fabric. Looks really good from the back, to be honest, and from the front. Let's turn it on right away and see what's there. Okay, the phone is almost on. I'll set it up real quick and we'll see how the screen looks. We'll put on the case. Let's actually do it now. It's very easy to put it on, and this is what it looks like with the case. It really catches fingerprints, but I also put some fingerprints on the inside of the case, so I'll need to remove it later, clean it and put it on. Yeah, it fits well with the circle, with the magnet. It also seems like there's a magnet here. I'm not really sure if it's a magnet, but it looks like so. I'll set up the phone, and there it is. We have the phone. It has all the basic apps you need at the beginning, and that is basically it about the phone. I think it's really cool. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the phone, and well, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.